Practical solution for covering and decoration of walls and floors in the bathroom. They are available in huge range of different sizes, colors and patterns. Picking out tiles for your bathroom remodeling project is not so simple anymore. There is so much variety in design, shape, color, texture that it can be overwhelming. A few years ago, tiles were mostly laid down for their functional benefits, resistance to water, durability, and low maintenance. But today, their aesthetic impact is just as important as their function. This is why manufacturers have expanded their selection to provide really unique style for homeowners. When choosing a tile for floors, you should be careful not to have too smooth surface. Due to frequent spillage of water in bathroom, smooth surface can be slippery and unsafe. Therefore, the choice of tiles and textures can significantly help to prevent accidents. If you are decorating a small bathroom, avoid large tiles which have bold patterns because in small area cannot be repeated many times and thus make visually smaller space. Generally, smaller tiles are beautiful solution in the bathroom, but you should know that maintenance is difficult due to their higher number of joints which get the dirt and dust. In small bathroom, choose tiles with bright colors that will visually increase the space. Ceramic tile is long lasting and easy to maintain with its countless design ranging from traditional and transitional to modern or vintage inspired. Patterned and solid ceramic tile works equally on floors and walls. Available in skirting, herringbone patterns, colorful graphics and all white, ceramic tile is both a versatile and practical way to express your style in bath. If your budget for home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designers. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior design ideas that you will find anywhere. All our design ideas have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get the latest home decoration ideas. Whether on the floor or the wall, it's the perfect accent tile in any room, either in soft subtle hues or bold contrasting colors. The intricate patterns available for these tiles will lure you in and capture your heart. Pattern tile will continue to expand in popularity from subway tile to ceramic. It's safe to say that graphic pattern tiles can be anywhere and everywhere, especially your bathroom. This style really gives homeowner the chance to tap into their creative side or hire a designer to get creative for them. Right now we are mostly seeing encaustic ceramic tiles being a popular choice for those with pattern tiles. However, porcelain tiles are coming out with the same thing. Expect to see an array of bold prints and colors all over the tiles this year. The popularity of matte finish tiles follow us into the new year. They feature a soft but powerful beauty styles that don't get too overwhelming. An advantage of matte tile is that they do not show smudges and watermarks as easily as glossy tiles do. This makes them ideal for the bathroom floor, especially in busy bathroom. The low sheen makes them easier to maintain when installing matte finish tiles. Make sure there is enough lighting, both natural and artificial, as these tiles are not known for reflecting light. Glossy finish tiles features a more dramatic effect on the bathroom. They tend to create an elegant, highly polished look and feel. This is why they are still popular. They are especially great for small bathroom as they tend to reflect plenty of lights and create the perception of a space that is larger than it seems. But because they need more maintenance work and are slip hazard, glossy finished tiles are often used on walls or low traffic bathroom floor ideas. If you are looking for understated elegance, then unspoken sophistication, go for matte finish tiles. They are also great if you want an earthy style in your bathroom. Contemporary designs make big use of neutral colors, and that remains the case for 2020 bathroom tile trends. Bright colors such as blue, red and yellow are not commonplace in bathroom and will not be the shining star anytime soon. Instead, homeowners are falling more in love with neutral and especially nude neutrals such as grey and cream. Grey and beige have become super popular as complementary neutrals. Check out our video on interior decoration designs to get inspiration for your bathroom. For bathrooms that need a bit more brightness, white is perfect. The bathroom is built for relaxing and these colors reinforces this atmosphere. By being neutral, they allow the mind to stay calm and relaxed, creating the sanctuary in the home. You can use this color from the floor all the way to the ceiling. To ensure the bathroom doesn't become lifeless, layers in different shades of neutral color, texture, shape or finishes to bring everything together in a new and lovely way. Some may think subway tiles can be boring. Those white 3x6 inches rectangle can be quite commonplace. In 2020, subway tiles will get a bit more interesting as the tiles depart from the traditional size and patterns. Specifically, we are going to see these tiles offered in more colors, larger size and atypical design patterns. Dome, beveled, arched and sculptural. Subway tiles are getting thicker and longer, with dimension as large as 8x20. Pair that with contrasting grout color and the stage has been set for a marvelous reversal from the common all-white look. You can even couple different colors of tile in vertical or horizontal bands or incorporate different pattern styles to create delightful wall mosaic for your bathroom. It's even becoming popular to see homeowners using mismatched tiles, patterns or textures to get the unique bathroom design all desire. The possibilities are really endless since the subway tiles can be mixed and matched in all sorts of fascinating variations. It is not just colors and patterns of tiles that are getting more diverse. Manufacturers are also playing around with the shapes. 2020 bathroom tiles trends will vary from traditional rectangle to variety of other geometric shapes. One particular shape that has made a resurgence in recent time is the hexagon. Hexagonal tiles are making their way back into the bathroom in all sizes, colors and texture, especially on shower floors, where they create a unique, different approach. To take it one step further, create a unique pattern using different colored tiles and repeat through the space. Why stop at shower floor? You could place these striking tiles on your bathroom floor in big bold graphic tile design patterns, geometric shape tiles and combine with color patterns to create complicated and visually arresting styles. Geometric tile can be used on a large scale, all walls and entire flooring to set the tone for the bathroom, or they can be used on an accent wall to create a bold pivot for the rest of the bathroom. In a small bathroom, they help improve the perception of the space, especially when matched the neutral colors. In large bathrooms, they form artful accent in places like the spa area or the makeup stations. Wood planks are just beginning to make a splash in the marketplace. Non-traditional tile sizes have been getting more popular for some time now. Most people are going larger overall, but the planking you can customize with size. Most widths are 6 inches, but the length vary from 12 inches to 48 inches, allowing you to create ornate patterns such as herringbone, while realistic wood grained tiles are most common like oak, maple and cherry. There are lots of other finishes available to make them seem distressed, weathered, or whitewashed. Porcelain wood grain tiles are perfect for the bathroom since it offers greater stain and water resistance without sacrificing design aesthetics. The wood grain tiles only enhancing the organic feel much needed in a bathroom space. For a more compelling look, you could try mixing natural stone planks and other materials such as concrete with wood grains. This adds an unexpected but welcome style to your flooring. Marble is a high-end material that is popular for its stunning luxurious beauty. Marble is a natural rock and each piece has its own unique coloring and styles. The difference in veining and subtle color shading results in an appealing overall look. Despite its connection to the palaces and mansions, marble has gradually made its way into our home, particularly the bathroom. Thanks to the Mother Nature, technology and improved transportation, homeowners have access to a large variety of different colors and pattern slabs to choose from. But like so many other areas of the house, we are seeing a return to soft color tones in 2020 and 21. These neutral finishes allow the natural beauty of marble to shine through at its best and without any impediment. Check out these master bathroom designs to get your juices flowing. To add an interesting twist, marble floorings that features large-scale patterns work especially well in large bathrooms. The floors essentially become a larger piece of canvas where the neutral beauty of the marble complements the interesting patterns embossed into it. Interestingly, you do not have to get actual marble to enjoy this style. The marvel of technology allows manufacturers to design porcelain tiles to resemble natural marble in almost every aspect. So if you are going for a luxury look on a more reasonable budget, marble looking tile is something to seriously consider as you plan your bathroom renovation in 2020 and 21. Add variation, color, depth and surface interest in any area of the bathroom by incorporating texture-filled tiles. Textures can appear subtle or pronounced depending on the material used, finish applied and the color desired. Raked sound just like the name, as if someone pulled a rake over the surface and left all the lines across the surface. 3D dimensional tiles can inspire just about anything from a feeling into an object or place. But when it's all said and done, it's usually considered a piece of art. This category comes in all sorts of shapes and sizes and styles which can be combined into an endless combination for a one-of-a-kind space. These types of tiles create a new focal point in the home using distinctive tile pieces and applications as diverse as dining room walls. Elegance just isn't for the rest of your home anymore. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe us and bookmark our site interiordecordesigns.in. If your budget for the home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designers. You just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase the best interior designs that you will find anywhere in the world. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our videos and follow our website and app to get the latest home interior decoration ideas. Now let us look at the types of bathroom tiles. First is porcelain tiles. These are on expensive side, but porcelain is more durable than other clay tiles like ceramic tiles, therefore less likely to chip and are better suited to heavy usage area such as bathroom floors. Another big plus about porcelain is that there is a lot of design flexibility as well. So they can come in a range of color, finishes, size and styles. Your options are endless. Second is marble tiles. Is there anything more timeless or stunning than marble? The answer is absolutely no. After all, who hasn't heard of the beauty of Calcutta marbles? However, it's not the best choice when it comes to durability of your hip pocket. This is due to being a very soft stone, although if the source is close to Italy or Greece, it is of better quality. It absorbs, therefore it is not best for floors and wet areas. For example, if you dye your hair, the dye could stain the marble, which is not the ideal at all. Or even worse, as marble has an iron content, it can rust itself and discolor. So save this beauty look for a less humid environment. Next tile for bathroom is ceramic tiles. These are made from the same material as porcelain, but they are less finely ground, which means they aren't as durable, but you can seal them correctly and it becomes a lot more durable. Limestone tiles. For limestone to be used in bathroom, they need to be sealed extremely well as they are quite porous. If you don't want to have a soft natural look, you can't do much better than limestone. Slate tiles. Perfect for a high traffic zone, slate is nearly impossible to scratch or chip. As a natural stone, it's quite costly, but it won't date from a design point of view and won't need to be maintained too regularly. It's a really great choice for bathroom if you are happy to use it. The next one is vinyl tiles. It's a lower cost alternative and very practical, meaning super easy to clean and that they won't crack. Perfect for kid area of the house. The cost of installing is also significantly less than porcelain or ceramic tile, but it just doesn't have the beautiful finish like the tiles have. You can get tiles in all different sizes and shapes these days. It has allowed bathroom designs to break out of being a cookie clutter standard room and push the design boundaries. Choosing the right tiles for your bathroom can be quite a challenge. There is so much variety. You have to choose what color, finish, shape you want, not to mention the material itself. Hopefully this video on bathroom design ideas will help you decide which tiles will look best on your bathroom floors or walls. So friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decorations. Alternatively, you can also download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. You can also follow our social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then do download our app available on the Play Store from the link in the description box below. Hope you like this video, and for more such videos, keep us subscribed. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.